Well, more peace of mind tonight for parents with kids in Spokane schools. Good evening. Thanks for joining us. I'm Nadine Woodward. The district has added an extra layer of security at middle and high schools with a new system called Badge Pass. KXY4's Grace Ditzler working for you. She's live in the studio tonight with more on this new system. And Grace, how does it work?
Well, Nadine, Badge Pass is a new computer system that checks visitors' IDs against criminal databases so that the school has a better idea of who is coming in and out of the school. Next time you visit Shadle Park or any other Spokane middle or high school, make sure you bring your ID.
And then take it back out. Perfect.
And we ask them to scan their ID through the new system, and the system automatically will compare their names with the National Sex Offender Database to make sure that we're not letting sex offenders into our school.
Visitors scan their driver's license or state ID cards. If there's no issue, the visitor gets a pass and is sent on their way. If a name shows up on those databases, a campus resource officer will come to make sure they're not allowed in the school.
And so you're going up to a classroom, is that correct? We just need it to be visible when you're in the building. Okay.
The newly implemented system is thanks to the facilities improvement bond voters passed in 2015.
We had a survey done, and the parents told us that their #1 priority was safety in our schools. And so Dr. Rettinger and the district have taken it very seriously, and that's why they're investing these kinds of dollars into these different kinds of programs to make the schools safe.
Director of Security Mark Sturck says this is just one component of the increased security within the district, including single-point entries and security cameras.
We've spent almost $4 million over the last couple of years putting these different measures in place to make our schools a safer place for our kids.
Right now, the district is testing out the Badge Pass system in the middle and high schools.
Data across the United States shows us that well in the 90th percentile, violent intruders are at high schools and middle school.
If they decide Badge Pass is a good fit for the district, they will try to fund it for elementary schools in the next bond measure. And the district says if parents do not have a driver's license, they can be issued an ID by the district. And if a visitor shows up to a school without an ID, the principal will determine if that person can be allowed inside. Reporting in studio, Grace Ditzler, KXLY4 News.
Thank you, Grace.